Speaker Yumnam Khemchand appreciates people of Ukhrul district for their hospitality, urges all to preserve Shiroi Lili, says no Shiroi Lili, no Shiroi Lili festival. High Court of Manipur crashes and sets aside MPSC main examination 2016, directs CBI to investigate conduction of the main exam. Committee of Civil Societies Kanglai Park commemorates first sitting of Manipur Assembly session as Manipur National Day, urges all to keep aside differences for a united Manipur. And Imphal West Traffic Police team demolishes illegal shops constructed on footpaths near Wahanglaikai parking area. Police warns further drives to encroachers. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Yumnam Khemchand has appreciated the hospitality of people of Ukhrul district and urged the valley inhabitants to inculcate the same. Addressing the gathering on the third day of the third state-level Shiroi Lili Festival 2019, organized jointly by Manipur Assembly Secretariat and Shiroi Village at Shiroi Village ground today, Speaker Khemchand asserted that the ethereal Shiroi Lili has attracted tourists from around the world. He maintained that without the Shiroi Lili, there will be no Shiroi Lili festival. Hence, earnest efforts should be made to preserve the endangered and endemic flower. Speaker Khemchand declared to offer all necessary assistance for the construction of a club at the Shiroi foothills. Taking part in the event, convener of Act East Policy, Manipur, R.K. Shivchandra, also expressed gratitude to the people of Ukhrul district for their hospitality.
Chahi kudingi saliba Lili Shiroi Lili si masina satragadi Shiroi festival sumang ibe so that landam sida laibiri ba isinaw sina Shiroi Lili si kangai tabung mang idagena yang pasana kiar to bibam kaksangi Ukhrul da laiba tangkul sinau singi hospitality si aduki matik sintha na bayai masi aikoi maiting na bok kamjaningai oi aikoi yumdami ama laga lehan ba seba to boisi maiting di haitri but we have to learn from tangkuls.
Double bench of High Court of Manipur has reportedly quashed and set aside MPSC main examination 2016. Impact News sources said that the judgment was announced today after numerous hearings on the case. Not only the main examination, but even the recorder of the Department of Personal and Revenue Department has been cancelled. The court has further directed the Central Bureau of Investigation to investigate into the conduct of the main examination 2016 by the MPSC within a period of 3 months.
Akoina ngasi court taza hobada Justice Zamir amadi Justice Novindagi koina taza hobasi Manipur Public Service Commission lawa MCS CEE examination 2016 asi quas tawkhre as masiga loinana adagi to appointment pithokraba 82 candidate suju quas tawkhre adagi khwaidagi hena koina ngaijaba laktangana pamjabadi MPSC da CBI Pro amadi taurani haibasi akhoi taja howi CBI Pro asi 3 months ki manung da loishingani jima khoi phajana taja howi aduga aroibada kona haibi khibasi MPSC ki MCSE 2016 ki main exam ji makok tagi hogadra antraga mains tagi hogadra haibasi ki sigi liberty dudi MPSC da sinagre.
Committee of Civil Societies Kanglai Park CCSK commemorated the first sitting of Manipur Assembly session of October 18, 1948 at GM Hall today. Chairman of Kuki Organization for Human Rights Trust, Dr. T. Lin Kim, Hetman of Ukhrul District, Wonghon Village, K.S. Writing, Assistant Professor of GP Women's College, Abdul Hakim, social activist, Filson Y. Lunghar, and advisor of Rongmai Lufam Panti Golmay attended observance organized by CCSK for the fourth time. Speaking on the occasion, CCSK President Jitendra Ningomba recalled that the first sitting of Manipur Assembly session was held at State Darbar Hall on October 18, 1948, following formation of a democratic government by the people of Manipur. He maintained that the first assembly session of a sovereign Manipur was attended by 49 people's representatives. Jitendra Ningomba asserted that the day marked the bravery of courage of the leaders who kept aside communal and religious differences for a united Manipur. He urged the present and the upcoming generations to acknowledge and follow the ideals and principles left by the forefathers.
Hojik akoi Manipur da tongan ba itine group kaya amana magi oiba nakal namati gi oiba meeting da yamna separatism haidare maduda masa gi kanchale haraga tongan anana bu khoner po masima koi committee of civil society kangle bangna masi sugya ya jade maduna marmoidana masi need of time hojik si akoi khwaidagi muru oiba matamani khanjaraga apun ba Manipur ma kanam ba Manipur progress leiba develop leiba justice da adugi equality da yumphum oiba Manipur ma sem nabagi yumphum tonana bagi akoi anobu mirol singsi Imphal
West Traffic Police team led by Imphal West Traffic SP Konsam Sarma demolished illegal shops constructed on footpaths near Waheng Laikai parking under the Police Act today. The team knocked down more than 50 shops during the eviction drive. Speaking to media, Imphal West Traffic SP Konsam Sarma said that the drive was carried out to ease the inconveniences facing pedestrians and to solve parking problems in the area.
Waheng Laikai gi road sida footpath sigi mathakta dukan phami ba mayam sina public ki property sigi mathakta mayam na chachari ba pedestrian gi lambi sida sri thak chanjalakpa dei dukan chanjalakpa si masi police act ki makha da koina chaliba sing je thugai jaraga dukan sing sigi mi among lokhatchabani aduna ngasi gi kaino sigi matungin na koina mayam da paujel pining badi any public ki property de encroachment tobiganu masi mayam gi public ki oiba jaga ni aduna public ki property respect tausi aduga public ki property si kana gumba mana encroach ro pata ragadi ain gi chapchaba khongthang
Lamsang MLA cum chairperson of Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation, S. Rajan has appealed to gift native products during Ningol Chakoba festival. Speaking to media at his residence in Salam Laikai of Imphal West today, S. Rajan conveyed his heartiest Ningol Chakoba greetings. He appealed to people to refrain from buying expensive imported items to gift women folks during the festival. He stated that Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation will open a mall in association with Panthoibi Arcade, Wangkai at Palace Compound on October 25th to make available various indigenous handlooms and handicraft products and other native items in view of the Ningol Chakoba festival. S. Rajan maintained that Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation has started exporting products made by local weavers and artisans to ease the marketing issues facing them.
Lakadoriba Ekogi Sakoriba, Ningol Singsi, Mapalgi Pina, Dakinata Wugi Mahota, Ekogi Kudol Port Tambase, Ekogi Manipurgi, Isalisi Sinasaba, Adugumba Manipurgi, Helungi Productiona, Ekogi Ningol Singi, Kudol Port, Pivazi, Pianingi, Anamasina, Kanagadoriba Masina Pigadoridi, Ekogi Isalisi Mayam Singsima, Ekoi Leptana Tabak Shuna Bagi, Pisana Bagi Tabakama Pire, Luinana, Punkudimak, Readymade Nagda Season Rapanina, Ekogi Laikai the Ladiba, Master Taylor. A team of
12 Assam Rifles More apprehended a man with contraband drugs worth around 82 lakh rupees at Kudengkabi Permanent Motor Vehicle Checkpost, Imphal More Road last evening at around 5. Impact News sources said that the team confiscated 132 grams of brown sugar, 120 grams of heroin number 4 and 1,200 WY tablets from 29-year-old Muhammad Ajmer Ali, son of Muhammad Liaquat Ali from Pangai, Yangdong, Komidok Umang Laikai of Imphal East. Ajmer was ferrying the drugs in an eco-van. He has been handed over to More police station along with the drugs last night for further legal actions. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on volunteers of Young Social Service Union nabbing 3 miscreants with contraband drugs at Sagolban, Moirang, Lairak. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Members of Young Social Service Union YSSU in Sagolban, Moirang, Lairak under Imphal Police Station of Imphal West caught 3 individuals in possession of contraband heroin number 4 from the locality last night at around 8. The arrested miscreants are 40-year-old Hanglem Damodar, son of 8th Surjit from Sagolban Tera, Lukram Lairak, 44-year-old Elangbam Nishikanta, son of E. Mangi from Sagolban Mabudhon Mantri Leka, and 30-year-old Chabungbam Heman, son of C.H. Ibotombi from Sagolban Moirang Lairak. Impact News sources said that the local residents caught them on suspicion. Upon interrogation, it came to light that the miscreants obtained from drugs from one yaim of Sagolban Mabudhau Mantri Lekai. Club members have handed over the miscreant to Imphal police station. Bishnupur District SP Priyadarshini Laishram, along with members of Bishnupur District VDF Welfare Association, today extended financial aid to the surviving family members of late Ningthaujam Giban from Thanga Salam Laikai in Bishnupur District. It may be mentioned that Ningthaujam Giban passed away due to an illness while on duty. The team, including President of Bishnupur District VDF Association District L. Beban, extended financial assistance to late Giban's wife. Chairman of Lamjingba Group Sanasam Jackie has announced to make Lamjingba cab service available in every district of the state. He was speaking on the sidelines of the 2nd anniversary observance of Lamjingba cab services at Hotel Classic Grand in Chingmairong today. Managing Director of Network Master Software Solution Kanchipur, Longjam Manchit, also attended the event. Discussions on various inconveniences facing Lamjingba cab service drivers and staff were held on the occasion.
Gari sigi award pa si adum lady ma koi na le hoju lejari ba gari 60 ga 7 sidagi koi hakot laga nearly lakador ba chahi anoba sigi mamang da koi gari chama suhalaga adumaina mayamgi service khara hena tauge haibagi apam lei loen ai ato ba district maruina urkhul gi akoi gi NGO sing ade civil society mi yoi khara dagi su dum akoi da proposal torpulei as well as Chuchanpur da ju torpulei aduna haiba singi adi proposal sing se akoi na tajare hairga akoi ato ba district sing ju tongngai gi plan leijari haibsi ma tham.
Indian Oil Corporation has distributed prizes to winners of the lottery held for customers who filled petrol for 200 rupees and above from July 15 to August 31st at PCTC oil pump in North AOC. CAF and PD Director Yumnam Ranjan presented 1 Datsun Reddy Go car and 3 TVS bike to 4 winners. Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has said that the government is probing Walmart-owned Flipkart and Amazon over the alleged predatory pricing. Speaking to media in Mumbai yesterday, Piyush Goyal said detailed questionnaires have been sent to these companies and their response is awaited. According to media reports, the e-commerce majors have grossed up over $3 billion in gross merchandise value during the festive sales held over the past fortnight. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Speaker Yumnam Khemchand appreciates people of Ukhrul district for their hospitality, urges all to preserve Shirui Lili, says no Shirui Lili, no Shirui Lili festival. High Court of Manipur quashes and sets aside MPSC main examination 2016, directs CBI to investigate conduction of the main exam. Committee of Civil Societies Kanglei Park commemorates first sitting of Manipur Assembly session as Manipur National Day, urges all to keep aside differences for a united Manipur. And Imphal West Traffic Police team demolishes illegal shops constructed on footpaths near Wahang Laikai parking area. Police warns further drives to encroachers.